abandoned vehicle detail is a group of officers that receive complaint-generated requests for going out and marking a vehicle that's been abandoned for more than 72 hours. People would call in, and because the voice prompt wasn't clear for them, they didn't know if someone was on the line, if they were supposed to hear something, and they'd be like, hello, hello. Very frustrating.
No plate.
What's interesting about this process is it's quite a simple procedure in theory. However, with a voicemail labyrinth that existed prior, it was challenging for citizens to find the appropriate voicemail box, leave the message.
Ford Bronco, two-door.
Sometimes we get multiple messages about the same vehicle. That process has been greatly streamlined by allowing for a centralized one-contact phone call to the 311 center and a service request issued for that abandoned vehicle.
311 provides the human element, the interface with the customers. CRM provides the technology, the infrastructure and the backbone, as well as the business process management on the back end to improve the service delivery.
The CRM team and the back office program provided me with a whole new creativity that I did not know was part of that program.
We've been able to help our customers become more efficient through different means. Technology is obviously one of them, but also process change is also a big piece of what we do.
We work with clients, we identify their existing business processes, we identify what steps they take, beginning with the intake process and then ending with the resolution of a complaint.
We will capture the information from the department and say, what do you need to know so that you can do your job?
Then for routine, go ahead with your auto view.
They came in and they really did a very thorough job in troubleshooting our problem spots here and able to creatively come up with a different approach for us.
We will go in and engage with the back office workers to design these processes and what questions do they need to have answered so that they can then have that information brought back to them through our software and they can then use that to do their job.
The application that we're using offers us the ability to take city processes and to really tweak the application in ways to best serve each department. And so in doing that, we're able to meet the needs of pretty different departments throughout the city.
I think the most interesting part of working at DDIS right now in this phase of DDIS's life is the interdepartmental collaboration that the technologies will allow us to introduce throughout the city.
CRM is exciting for San Francisco because planners, other city departments can proactively plan services and provide services for the types of requests that people are making.
We do add a lot of value in terms of web accessibility, in terms of tracking their work.
Customer service is number one anywhere you go. And if you're treated well and if somebody listens to you and hears you, you feel like you've been treated well.
Whether they're calling about a lost and found item, a pothole they need filled in by DPW, a tree that needs trimming, or just some information about what the library hours are. They're going to get a single point of contact and they'll get a similar experience on the phone that they do every time they call.
It makes getting government services easier and more transparent.